When it comes to attracting a man, you might spend hours perfecting a clever opening line, planning what to say, or even practicing your laugh. But what if I told you the strongest forms of attraction happen before you say a single word? The truth is, attraction mostly works on a subconscious level. Our brains make split-second judgments about potential partners based on tiny signals we're not even aware of. Today, I'll share proven secrets that draw men toward certain women. Secrets that aren't about looks or saying the right thing. Let's be clear. This isn't about tricking anyone. It's about understanding the natural language of attraction that's built into all of us. It's about bringing out the magnetic qualities you already have. Every day, you are sending out thousands of silent signals about who you are. Your posture tells a story. The way you move paints a picture. Your energy creates a vibe that either pulls people in or keeps them at a distance. When it comes to knowing how to attract men, there are a few very real secrets no one talks about. And today in this video, I'm going to share them with you. Not just surface-level tips, but deep truths that will change how you think about attraction forever. Let's talk about something that might surprise you. The less you chase, the more they pursue. Think about the last time you really wanted something that seemed just out of reach. That desire, that challenge, it made you want it even more, right? Men are wired exactly the same way when it comes to relationships. Men are naturally competitive. They compete in business, in sports, in their careers, and yes, in love. When a man feels like he has to earn your attention, something magical happens. He starts seeing you as that rare, precious gem that not just anyone can have. And trust me, that's exactly where you want to be. But let me be clear, this isn't about playing games. This is about knowing your worth and living a life so fulfilling that any man would feel lucky to be part of it. When you're genuinely busy building your dreams, pursuing your passions, and creating a life you love, you naturally become more attractive. You're not trying to attract anyone. You're simply magnetic. Now here's something crucial. For a man to stay committed, he needs to feel like he's continuously winning you over. Think about it. We value what we work for, not what's handed to us on a silver platter. When you make everything too easy, too available, you unintentionally send a message that you don't have other options. And that's not the message we want to send, is it? But listen closely. This doesn't mean you should be cold or distant. Instead, it's about finding that sweet spot where you show interest. Let me tell you again, you show interest, your desire for the man while letting him take the lead in pursuit. It's like a dance. You're both moving, but he is leading the steps. The most attractive thing you can do is have a life outside of any relationship. When you maintain your own friends, hobbies, and goals, you create a sense of healthy space. This space isn't empty, it's filled with growth, achievement, and self-discovery. And let me tell you, nothing is more attractive than a woman who's continuously evolving. Now let's talk about emotional connection. It's the invisible thread that binds two people together. When you become his emotional safe haven, the person he can be completely himself with, you create a bond that's hard to break. But remember, supporting him emotionally doesn't mean becoming his therapist. Yes, don't be his therapist. It simply means being present, understanding, and genuinely caring about his dreams and fears. And here's something most people won't tell you. Showing desire for your man is incredibly powerful. You must show that you have a strong desire for your man. But I'm not talking about being clingy or desperate. I'm talking about those moments when you look at him with genuine appreciation, when your eyes light up as he walks into the room. These subtle signals of desire speak louder than words ever could. Of course, you can also tell him that you like him a lot, or you are in love. And do not forget the power of non-sexual affection. A gentle touch on his arm while you're talking, a warm hug when he's had a rough day, or simply holding his hand while walking. These seemingly small gestures create a deep emotional connection that goes beyond physical attraction. But here's the most important secret of all. The key to attracting men without trying is to focus on becoming the best version of yourself in every possible way, starting from how you look. Because how you look really matters when attracting men. Because physical appearance is often the first thing men notice, but this is more about creating interest than sustaining it. And let me tell you, when you truly love and respect yourself, when you're passionate about your life and confident in your worth, you naturally attract people who will value you by the same way. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how the most magnetic people aren't the ones desperately seeking attention? They're the ones so engaged in their own journey that they light up every room they enter. That's the energy you want to embody. Remember, true attraction isn't about changing who you are or following a set of rules. It's about unleashing the authentic, confident woman you already are. When you live your life with purpose, when you know your worth, and when you're genuinely happy with who you are, you become naturally attractive without even trying. And if this video touched something deep inside you, take a second to hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more empowering content like this, and hit that notification bell, because we're diving deep into more raw, honest conversations about love, relationships, and understanding the male psyche in ways that can transform your relationship forever.